Hey everyone, hope everybody's doing well. It's a beautiful cold day here in Michigan. Got the kids loaded up in the back of the truck. I'm gonna head back out in the woods where I was cutting up that big ash tree, get some of those rounds quartered and loaded up before we get our snowstorm. So go ahead and stick with me. I'll see you in the woods. Everyone, thanks for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, my name's Jason. Call my channel Backyard Firewood because I do everything out of my backyard, you know, splitting and stuff like that. I'm just a hobby firewood cutter, firewood seller, just a regular knucklehead that likes running chainsaws. Last video, if I posted it, who knows, because I'm about the world's worst YouTube person, but I was out here cutting up this big ash tree, I should say, and so I'm out here again. I'm gonna do some quartering of some of these bigger rounds. We got a heck of a snowstorm coming, I guess, Friday, Saturday, so I'm trying to get out here and get as much taken out of here as I can. I kind of cheated and went ahead and did one or two. I got the Echo 620, so I had to get it warmed up and dialed in. So anyway, we're gonna do that, and then if you stick toward the end of the video, I started putting links to interesting saw related, you know, firewood related content I find on the internet, so maybe give a little value added versus just watching a goofball like me cut up firewood. So anyway, I'm gonna set you all up, and I'm gonna start with the 620p. I do have the old John cutter. I keep threatening to put some time on that and I never do, but I think I might actually do that today, because before I start hauling over to my truck over there, I got to make sure this path is cleared. There's a lot of stuff underneath the snow that I'm gonna end up tripping on, and you know, while it might be funny, it would suck for me. So anyway, stay tuned and we'll get to it. Okay, here we go. These I gotta break free because they're a bit frozen. We got a bunch of snow and then a bunch of, well, I won't say a bunch, but a teeny bit of rain the other day, so I just noticed they're a bit frozen together. Oh man, so when I was cutting these the other day, I was kind of bummed. I thought they were punky, but as it turns out, that was just like the first little bit, you know, up in here, but the rest of that is in fantastic shape. So I'm pretty excited because I'm gonna get a fair amount of wood out of this. Looks like the landowner's doing some work of his own today, so that's cool. So like I said, if you look, that's all good wood up inside there. You know, some of it's punky, some of it's not, you know, what are you gonna do? But yeah, so this is a pretty good score for me. Okay, so I got just about everything loaded up in the old family truckster over there. I can't do a full load because I brought all my chainsaws and kind of got to leave. Oh, I'm probably just going to quarter these up, and then I'm going to run down this way a bit. I noticed that the wood on this side is still good, so I just want to keep, you know, making rounds out of this till I find where it starts to get rotten. So. Still good wood. You can smell it when you cut ash. It has a really distinct smell. I think it smells horrible, but whatever. There we go. Still pretty good. I think that's about as far as I'm going to push this, though. I don't know. I kind of don't like the look of it that way. So last time I came down here, bucked all these up with my 572. Sorry about that. Yeah, I bucked all these up with my 572 right here. Got to about here, and I might try doing a few more some other day, but I got all that. It's 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 rounds. You know, those are pretty good sized rounds. And then I got all these pieces I got to get next time. A couple over there, but like I said, I just don't have room in the truck. Some there. One I started to quarter the other day, but my helper ran out of gas, so I had to get her some lunch. So anyway, and then I think I'm gonna take a little stroll over that way, see if any of these down trees or these leaners, I should say, are any good, and probably call it a day. So anyway, hopefully you stuck around this far. Like I said, right at the end, I'm going to be putting some, I think they're called those end cards or whatever, with some interesting stuff that I find on YouTube. So stick around for that. Thanks. Bye.